Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how to delete your Payoneer account permanently. First, you'll have to go to Payoneer and log in into your account, and you can go to the Payoneer by clicking on the link down below in the description. And once you log in into your account, here you can find your profile icon. Just click on it, then click on Support Center, and now you should search for Close My Account, then hit Enter, then wait till you find the results. Just choose the first option right here. I wish to close my account. You have to read these information carefully. So before closing your account, once you confirm your account's closure, any remaining funds in your account will be lost. So try to use any remaining funds before closing your account. Any funding sources linked to your account will not be available to link to another Payoneer account once your account is closed. You will not be able to use the same email address to register for a new Payoneer account. So keep that important point in mind. Once your account has been closed, you will not be able to reopen it again due to regulations. And if you would still like to close your account, please submit the form to continue the process. So before you do this step, please be careful and think more than twice before you do that. I just have to click on submit the form. It will redirect me to this section. Now you'll have to choose the reason. So let's say I decided to use a different payment platform, and here, are you planning to use any of the existing funding sources with another Payoneer account? You'll have to choose no or yes. Then add your last 4 digits of your bank account or card, enter your date of birth, and here, that's pretty much it. Support us with like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.